What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Lego Knuckles. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw a small circle for the nose. We're going to start right in the middle at the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up. Let's add a small circle across the top for a highlight, and we'll fill the bottom of the nose in black. Let's move out to the side of the nose, draw a curve, coming down and then up across the muzzle. Now it's going to round out the corners, coming around the cheek and then in. And we want to round out the bottom of the chin, starting back on the left, coming down in the center, round out the chin, and then pull that back up on the right. Let's shift the mouth over towards the right side. So we're going to start in the center, go across and bend that up, then we'll add a bracket on the end. Now we're going to go back up to the top of the nose and draw in the eyelid. Let's leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, bend this up, curve that out towards the side, go over towards the right side, and do the same thing. From the top, we're going to step in, round out the side of the eye, and then pull that in on top of the cheeks. Let's pull the iris and pupil towards the inside. So we're going to tuck this up underneath the eyelid. Starting on the left, let's draw an oval. Coming around towards the bottom, just pull that up on the inside, and then line that up on the right. Let's draw a small oval in the center for the pupil. Add a small circle across the top for a highlight. And we'll fill in the bottom in black. Now let's draw those extensions coming down the side of the head. Let's start on the outside of the eye, curves down, in towards the cheek, and then in towards the bottom. Let's do the same thing on the right, coming down into the cheek, and then down. Let's round up the ends, pull that up. It's going to work our way around the outside of the head, going out, and then up. Let's tuck the second set in behind. So we're going to step up, start by coming down, around the side, and then up. Now I'm going to go back to the left side and round out the top of the head. I'm going to go up, bend this in across the middle, come all the way across towards the right, and I'm just going to bend that down. Let's go underneath the head and draw a straight line from left to right. To the top of the body. From the ends, angle the body, coming down and then out towards the hips. Let's close off the bottom with a straight line. Now from the hips, we're going to step in, draw two large brackets for the edge of the barrel. Going out and then in. And we'll flatten off the bottom. Now I'm going to leave a gap in the center and draw two straight lines coming down. So let's start with the left side, coming all the way across the barrel and down towards the bottom of the foot. Go to the right and do the same thing. Let's go to the outside bottom corner of the barrel, draw a straight line. I'm just going to line this up with the inside. And we'll flatten off the bottom with a straight line. Now I want to draw three lines going across the bottom of the legs. So from here we're going to step up, draw a line going across on both sides, step up, draw that again, and then once more. Let's add that symbol in the center of the body. We're starting on the left side, curve this down, and then up. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to come down lower in the middle, across, and then up. Now we're going to move out to the side and draw on the arms. Let's start halfway down the side of the body, starting right here, bend the arm going out, and then down towards the wrist. Let's round up the wrist, going out, and then bend that up. Now on the outside, I'm going to follow this curve going up towards the top. And I'm just going to bend that in behind. Let's add the cuff. We're going to step up, draw that same curve going across the top of the arms. And we're going to tuck the hands in underneath. We're going to draw a circle with an open end across the bottom. So let's start on the left, go all the way around, and then in, move to the inside of the wrist, go in the opposite direction. Now it's going to round out the tip of the hands, and then just going to trace the circle along the inside. Let's do the same thing on the right. Start with the inside. And now we'll sign out art and add a splash of color. And there we have it. There's a cartoon illustration of Lego Knuckles. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. And if you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.